Welcome to Picking Principles. Today I've got this lock. It's like a deadbolt lock. Inside of it says Weiser lock on it. The lock is removable with just a simple screw. I could pull that out and stick it in my vise. Let's see if I can get it while it's in this large body. It gives me something to hang on to. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway. Hopefully that gives me enough room to pick. And it's an old, kind of rusty lock. So let's see how it opens. Or if it opens, I don't have a key. There's a lot of binding on one. I'll click out of one. Two's loose. Oh, slipped off a three. Got three up, it feels like. Four stuck. There we go. And five. No, one's loose. Back to one here. Oh no. One's loose. Two's loose. Three. Oh, man, it's tight in there. Maybe if I put less tension. I just felt something fall. One, two is set. Three is mushy, so that's set, I hope. Four I can't even feel. And I've got to click on a five there, I feel like. One's still good. Two's overset at this point, I feel like. Three, four, five. I don't have it. Let me drop some stuff down there. One's still good. There, I got two. Don't want to push on it anymore. Man, three is tough. There we go. Ah, there we go. Got her open. Well, I don't have a key. Oh my God, is it ever tough, this lock? Well, let's see if I leave it like that. If we can open it up and take a look inside. Just need this screw. Oh, I won't be able to take it out. Not with the pick in there, or the tensioning tool in there. Oh, it's okay, I can slide it out and then just put that back in. Okay. I really do need a different tool for pushing on those pins. I think I've got like a scribe in my toolbox. I should get it out. Oh, nuts. Oh, that's fortunate. I didn't lock it. See if I can get my 40,000s back in there. Keep it from moving. There we go. Got that cap off. Take out this. Oh, The spring wanted to come out at the same time there. There we go. Got the spring and the retaining pin. Oh, gonna need a follower now. Let me see if my acrylic will fit. No. Let's see if this works. Okay. Oh my. Look at that body. It's horrible. Let's dump these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Large pins. And alright, so the top was touching the key pins. Let me put it in that way. 1, 2. Yeah, these are all going to be standard. So, those of you who have been watching the channel know that I did get some practice locks from Sparrows and also a practice lock from Covert Instruments. And they came full of spools and mushroom pins and all kinds of stuff. I've not yet put any security pins in anything. And there's the last one. Oh, no it ain't. Look at that. Still in place, pin 4. Barely get it out, so corroded. Well, these are ugly. Let me pull them up and show you. Maybe bathe this thing in some oil later, clean it up. So, as you can see, we've got all standard, not oriented properly key pins. There we go. And you can see some dust and corrosion. And then 5 standard driver pins in that dusty old, rusty old Weiser lock. Well, if you like what you've seen here today, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please leave them below. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.